Hello, welcome to Trig, Spring 2023. I'm going to start this video by showing you what the Blackboard page looks like for this course. The Blackboard page has some announcements on there. They'll be coming out in the next few days. It has my contact information if you need to contact me at any time. Course syllabus is located inside there. The start here will have in there how to register for my math lab and the due dates. And then you'll have the other things that SAU puts in there. So you have a Blackboard page. All of your work, however, is done in my math lab, just like college algebra was. Well, in this video, I also wanted to show you what the My Math Lab page looks like for Trig. It looks very similar to the college algebra. Notice over here that you have Trig due dates. They're listed here. Your syllabus. You can click on that, open it up. It looks different. We've changed the format of the syllabus. Please read through the whole syllabus. It's very similar to college algebra, but you'll want to make sure that you're up to date. This is a very important page. In Trig, you're going to need to click here and you're going to want to print these. The unit circle and the Trig identity. You're going to want to open that. You're going to want to print those pages and keep them with you. You're going to use them on tests. You're going to use them on homework. We'll be referring to them, so they'll be very important. You also have the notes and the videos. So here we have for Chapter 1, have several sets of notes. Ferris wheel problem, you'll come across that one. You may want to look at that video about that. Several videos and several parts to the study guide. I've tagged the whole Trig playlist right here. If you go to my YouTube page, you'll find there's a whole playlist dedicated to Trig. There's only 4 chapters in the Trig course, so we'll do 2 chapters. We'll have a chapter test in each, and then we'll have a midterm. And then we'll do 2 more chapters, having a chapter test in each of those, and then a midterm. Just like before, your assignments are going to be listed right here, and your homework, your test, so you'll want to pay attention to those. Other documents that you might find important, the due date document is here. You'll be receiving an email, and this will be attached to it. It's also found in the My Math Lab. It's also found in Blackboard. I don't want you to miss any of your due dates. Your syllabus will be attached to the email, so please be prepared to print that off and look over that. This is probably the most important part of what I'm sending out, and it's how to enroll in My Math Lab for this particular course. The steps are similar to what you did for college algebra, but what changes each time is this Lampkin 36033. That is the course ID for Trig for the spring of 2023. So as you log in and it asks you for your course ID, this is what you'll want to use. Now be sure that you remember that once you log in, you have access to an online book. You have access to all the things in My Math Lab that help you with homework, all these tools over here. So be certain to take advantage of those. But once again, this student registration is probably the one piece of paper that you're going to be certain you want to use right off the bat in order to get into My Math Lab. If you have any questions during this course, please feel free to send me an email or ask me a question. I'll be happy to get back with you with an answer via text message or email, or I'll make you a video and send it to you. I appreciate your hard work, and I hope that you have a very successful spring 2023.